Hi, I'm Mitch Newman from Stratagem Construction, and we're here today at the wonderful showroom in Chicago of Häfele to show you some of the various kitchen hardware that you can have in your kitchen. There's 5 basic areas that we're going to look at. There's corner solutions, recycling and waste, cabinet and storage solutions, drawer solutions, and kitchen enhancement solutions. So let's get started. So here's one of the most common corner solutions. It's very easy to use and economically priced, and it's called the Lemans. So it's 2 shelves shaped somewhat like a peanut. They have a very nice smooth flow, and they carry a great number of appliances. They work independently. You can take something out of the top and push it back in and then reach the bottom. And you'll notice that the bottom only doesn't come out as fully as the top, and that's with intention because there are restrictor options so that if you were to have a stove or something over here, you could have the lower only come out this far or the upper only come out this far, so you wouldn't have things colliding. And that's part of the thoughtful way that Häfele designs their materials. Here's another great corner option. This is Magic Corner 2. And what this is it's a really great piece of hardware that allows you just optimal space usage of this corner. And then it allows you to reach in and really get to things that you'd have to crawl into your cabinet and get. It just has a wonderful smooth action. Now everyone is familiar with Lazy Susans, and Häfele has many great options. But here's one I like. It's called the Susie Q. It has a wonderful clean motion to it. It has doors that open very easily, and it has an automatic closing mechanism. Now for top corner units, Häfele has a nice system called Twister. And what's special about it is that the shelves on all 3 levels turn. It has a nice action, modern shelves, and really creates a lot of good use of space. Every kitchen needs a garbage container, and many of us now want a recycling bin as well. And Häfele has a number of solutions. And really the question is the size of the container, some of the specific features of it. This is a larger container, one single large container. Whether it attaches to the door, here's one that has 2 nice containers with a wonderful soft close movement. And sometimes your hands are full and you just can't even open the door. You just press on that and it comes right out, and you can do whatever. You can drop your recycled into the bin that you need to. One of the cardinal things you need at any kitchen is storage space. And anything that enhances your storage space or helps you organize it will improve the functionality of your kitchen. So Häfele has a number of different base cabinet pullouts, and they come in different patterns. So this one on the right here is great for pans, and this one on the left for other types of storage. Here's another great base cabinet unit. And this one's set up for about a 15-inch cabinet, but they really go down to about 6-inch cabinets. So whatever space you have, you can better organize it with one of these units. It's a wonderful action to it. Most kitchens have spices, and a spice rack like this allows us great access to our spices, but also you can see these wonderful glasses are lined up here, so you're not reaching behind rows and rows of glasses to get to other glasses. So it just creates better use of existing space. And this is a tandem chef's pantry, and what I really love about this pantry is that it has some shelves that are about 6 inches deep here and about 1 foot deep here. Now mostly, if you've ever dealt with a pantry in a kitchen, it's very hard to reach into the back of those top cabinets, but here you can see everything is very, very accessible. And usually just getting that front 6 inches off a cabinet really makes all the difference, and this feature allows you to have the shelves move right forward, so from bottom to top you have great access. There's the Pegasus List system, and what I love about this is it's particularly good for people who don't want to reach up to those top cabinets, so you usually have to get a stool to get up there. But look at this, you can just pull it all down, and suddenly everything in the very top cabinet is accessible for you. It makes it so simple. Every kitchen has drawers, and they need to be organized. Here's a couple great solutions from Häfele. This is a 2-tier drawer system. So with a slight push, you get 2 levels of storage space for your utensils, and it comes, as you see, in the height of a normal drawer. Here's another great organizing apparatus. They have a pegboard that allows flexibility. So you can put your little pieces in various places and actually set this up exactly as you want it for the utensils that you have in your kitchen. And they also come for deeper drawers. So here's a great storage solution for plates, particularly oversized plates, which sometimes don't fit well in upper cabinets. And here for particular needs, whatever your utensils are, you can set up your drawer to make it work. And one nice little feature that Häfele offers is a light for your cabinet. And this just turns on when you open up your drawer and gives you a little extra light. And it's very pleasant to use that. This one I really love because it creates extra counter space. In a small kitchen, you can just pull this open and get the extra space you need to do your preparation. And then when you're done, it goes right in. And these surfaces here can be the exact same material as your countertop, so it really can look great. And of course, there's some kitchen enhancement solutions that don't quite fit into any category. So let me show you a couple great ones that Häfele offers. Now, one thing that's essential to almost every kitchen is an undersink mat. And there's always little drips that come from either the waste or a little bit of the water, and it hits the bottom of your cabinet and it causes damage. It's so common. But this under cabinet mat collects the water, and those little tiny divots here will collect as much as 1 gallon. So usually it's just a few drops. You'll detect it, you'll clean it up, and you'll fix the pipes, and that'll keep your cabinet from having any permanent damage. So here's a particularly interesting cabinet option that Häfele offers. It's called the Stealth Lock. Because there's going to be some things that you don't want everybody to get to. So here's the combination, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can get to your computer, or you can get to your chemicals, cleaning materials that you just wouldn't want a toddler to get to. And this absolutely keeps them locked away. Well, we've had a great time showing you some of the hardware that's available here at the Häfele Showroom in Chicago. And all of this is available through Stratagem Construction and Habitar Design. And we can even bring you down to this showroom so you can feel and touch and see this great hardware for yourself. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again.